Hello, I'm in a 2018 Nissan Altima, and today I'm going to show you how you would fill your gas tank. So from the driver's side here, look down and there'll be a lever here that's to release the gas cover, so we'll pull that. And if there's no tension at all here, double check that this cable is attached here. That should be attached with a little tightness. If it's not, you might need to address that. But now that we popped that, you should see this cover is now loose. So you can open it up, double check there's nothing broken or bent or anything like that. But this is that little release lever we just pulled. And then from here, whether you're at the gas pump or the gas can, just unscrew and then fill as needed. For this particular model, I would use like a regular 87, but just some kind of unleaded. Double check you're using the right type for your make and model. But once you have it full, just screw this back on, nice and tight. That little click means it's tight. And then from here, we'll just close again. And now it's locked in place. So to open this again, we'd have to go back up and pull that lever. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.